Welcome in unique series. Today we have look in top 5 biggest smartphone manufacturer companies in the world. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Xiaomi Corporation Limited is a Chinese electronics company founded in April 2010 and its headquarters situated in Beijing, China. Xiaomi makes and invests in smartphones, mobile apps, laptops, earphones and many other products. Xiaomi flagship smartphone brands such as Redmi and Mi series which have gained popularity and trust of millions of customers. Xiaomi has created its brand value to focus on innovation and latest technology. Xiaomi Corporation sells its products and services in more than 60 countries with 1,20,000 active employees, and total assets of Xiaomi Corporation is almost 183 billion and net income is near 80 billion US. BBK Electronics Corporation is a Chinese multinational conglomerate specializing in electronics such as TV sets, MP3 players, digital cameras, mobile phones and smartphones. BBK Electronics runs famous smartphone brands such as Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, etc. Because of this, BBK Electronics is the fourth biggest smartphone manufacturer corporation in the world with total 9.7% market share. BBK Electronics sells its products and services in more than 70 countries with 350,000 active employees. Total assets of BBK Electronics is almost 280 billion and net income is near 20 billion US. Huawei Technology Corporate Limited is a Chinese multinational technology company situated in Shenzhen, China. Huawei Technology design, develop and sell its telecommunication equipment and consumer electronics mainly as a smartphone. Huawei is one of the best innovation center across the global world. Huawei Technology invested 40% of its revenue in research and development. Huawei Technology is world third largest manufacturer of mobile phones and smartphone company with total market share is near 13.2%. Huawei Technology Limited sells its product and services more than 170 countries with 2 lakh active employees, and total assets of Huawei Technology Limited is almost 180 billion and net income is near 20 billion US. iPhone is a line of touchscreen-based smartphone designed and marketed by Apple Electronics Limited. Apple Electronics Limited is an American multinational technology company headquartered situated in California, US that design, develop, sell consumer electronics, computer software and online services. Apple Electronics Limited is the second largest smartphone manufacturer company with total 15.3% market share. Apple Electronics Limited products include iPhone, iPad, Mac computer, Apple smartwatch, AirPods, etc. Apple Electronics sells its product and services over 43 countries with 1,40,000 active employees, and total assets of Apple Electronics Limited is almost 338 billion and net income is near 55 billion. Samsung Electronics is a global leader of a smartphone industry which has been retained the largest market share in the global smartphone industry for the last 8 years with total 19.6% market share. Samsung Electronics is a South Korean multinational company headquartered situated in Samsung Town, Seoul. Samsung Electronics is the world's largest manufacturer of mobile phones and smartphones with Samsung Galaxy line of device. Samsung Electronics has assembled plants and sales network in 74 countries with 310,000 active employees. Total assets of Samsung Electronics is almost 308 billion and net income is near 40.3 billion. According to market share, Samsung Electronics is one of the biggest and largest smartphone manufacturer company in the world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.